Welcome to Varberg, on Sweden's stunning west coast, where history meets the sea, lies a town filled with culture, tradition, and breathtaking beauty. Join me as we explore the fortress, the iconic Calbert Husat, and the vibrant local life of Varberg. Our journey begins at Varberg Fortress, standing proudly since the late 1200s. This stronghold has guarded the coast for centuries. Once a place of power and defense, today it offers a window into the past. As we walk along its massive stone walls, you can almost hear the echoes of history. From the cannons overlooking the sea, to the winding paths inside the fortress, every corner tells a story. And from above, the view is simply spectacular. The fortress, the town, and the endless stretch of the Kattegat Sea. Just a short walk away, we arrive at Varberg's most iconic landmark, the Calbert Husat, or cold bathhouse. Built on stilts above the water, this striking wooden structure is more than just architecture. It's a tradition, a lifestyle, and a place of wellness. For over a century, locals and visitors have come here to experience the invigorating ritual of cold bathing. The contrast between the chilly sea and the warm saunas is said to rejuvenate both body and mind. Whether you're here for a swim, to admire the design, or simply to breathe in the salty air, Calbert Husat is a place that captures the spirit of Varberg. But Varberg isn't just history and landmarks. It's also alive with community and culture. The local market is where the town's heart beats strongest. The scent of flowers, the colors of ripe fruit, the sound of laughter and conversations. It's a place where everyone comes together. Varberg isn't just a place to visit. It's a place to experience, to connect, and to remember. Varberg, where history meets the sea. Thank you for joining this journey. If you enjoyed this film, don't forget to subscribe for more stories from around the world.